What's going on, everybody? Today we're at Planet Hollywood, gonna do a room tour of the Ultra Resort Room in room 1478. Let's check it out. All right, so coming into the room, you come into a nice little entryway. We got some pictures of some pretty ladies over here. This is a connector room if you have one, but we'll get to that in a second. Immediately to your left is the bathroom. This is a really big bathroom. You've got a backlit mirror here with a sink. You have a private toilet area over here, so you can close the door if you need the space. Very nice size garden tub. Here is your standing shower. A really nice standing shower. Also have a bench, so if you want to sit down or you need to rest while you're in the shower, the option is there. And then as you see, we have a second sink, so this is kind of like a split his and hers. This one has the backlit mirror as well. So this is your bathroom. It's a really nice bathroom. And then as you start going to the room, over here to the left is the closet. So you've got your basic closet things, some extra bedding up there, hangers, ironing board, and you have an in-room safe next to the luggage rack. So if you need to lock things up, you've got the security to do so. And then, as I said, if you had a connector room, this would be the door for your connector room right here. And then we get into the main part of the room. This is a really nice room, very spacious. On this side, you have your work desk area. So you've got a lamp, you've got coffee and the coffee packs. So if you need some coffee, you can drink some coffee in the room. Down here we've got a mini fridge, comes with the room, so you need to keep things cool. There you go. And then these are just drawers if you need them and store some things up. And there's obviously a chair if you need to do your work. The bed, this is a really nice room, really nice size space for those who would look to stay. We've got a lamp here with 2 USB charging ports on this side. And then over here we have another lamp. You've got USB charging as well next to the clock, but you've got the outlets if you need to plug your charger in. Then you have the couch here, nice little couch, extra space for people who may have extra guests. And you've got table and chairs, and then the flat screen TV. You've got some drawers down here as well. If you need, for whatever reason, you might need them, you've got them there. And then we'll just check out the view really quick. This is a strip view, so you'll see the strip there. You can catch the water show if it goes off. You get a really good view for that. And then this is Paris next door. And you see part of the city back there as well. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.